I got asked this question a little while ago. Why is it so difficult to make connections on LinkedIn? Is it a social issue, a cultural issue, or a technological issue? I'm going to answer that question in this video. Well, first of all, it's probably not a technological issue. The app pretty much works. If you send an invite, it gets sent to the person that you send it to. Now, from a tactical perspective, you might want to make sure that when you send a LinkedIn invite, you're always including a personal note. That could improve the opportunities of you connecting with people. But here's a few other tips that may be wise to pay attention to if you're trying to connect with people on LinkedIn. Don't send invites to people who don't know you. Now, I get it. The whole idea of LinkedIn is to connect with people who don't yet know you, but find a way for them to know you first. Whether you get introduced to them or you engage with their content or you engage with their company page or whatever, find a way for them to know who you are before you send that invite. Don't send a LinkedIn invite that includes a sales pitch or an offer. The intent of the invite is to connect, nothing more. Everything else happens or could happen after you connect. Look at your LinkedIn profile. Is it vague? Is it complete? Is it informative? Is it misleading? Is it, all over the place with who you are and what you've done and have done in the past? Or is it clear about who you are and what you do? Often, people will not accept a LinkedIn invite from a LinkedIn profile that is just not clear. Make sure you have a LinkedIn profile picture, a picture of you, an image of you facing the camera, not you holding some, cheap knockoff purse in an art gallery facing away from the camera, or holding a cell phone up in front of your face so they can't see your face when you're taking a picture. That's absolutely horrible. But everybody needs a good LinkedIn profile photo on their profile. What have you done on LinkedIn? Did you just build a LinkedIn profile and then start this journey of sending invites out? Or have you spent some time getting into conversations? Have you spent some time sharing content that's relevant to your target audience? If all you did was build a LinkedIn profile and then start sending out invites, it may not work. Think about who you're sending your invites out to. Are these people, again, are they relevant to you? Are they in the same industry as you're in? Are they in an industry that's relevant to you? If not, these people may look at you and go, wow, this guy's totally irrelevant to me. He's a barista at a coffee shop and I'm a doctor and, in another space. Or that person is a supply chain manager and, I do something way different. Think about the industries that you're sending these invites into and make sure they're people that are relevant to you. And who are you sending your invites out to? Are you just scrolling through a list and hitting send, invite without any, consideration of who they are? You're sending invites out recklessly to every Tom, Dick, Harry, Betty, Sylvia, Lena, and etc. on LinkedIn? That won't work. You got to be purposeful about it. Look, often the reason people fail at connecting on LinkedIn is that they're not networking with a purpose, or their purpose is nefarious, or their purpose is irrelevant to the other person. You got to make sure you're networking on LinkedIn for the right reasons and with the right people, and then you're more likely to get the connections that you're hoping to get. And by the way, once you connect, that's when you can reach out and try to start the conversation. But you better make sure that you start the conversation all about them and not about you. I'm Teddy, a LinkedIn strategist, trainer, and coach, and I hope this is helpful for you.